Hey friends, it's great to see you again. If this is your first time, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do a low sock bun. This is a great hack for getting a big, eye-catching bun. You use what is called a hair donut. You can make it with a sock. This is one I got, I believe, at Claire's years ago. I'm sure you could find them online at, Amazon or anywhere like that. What I'm going to do first is put my hair into a low ponytail. A friend had commented on my last hairstyle video and asked that I put the camera from the mirror side because I have a tendency to look in the mirror, of course, when I'm fixing my hair. So we're trying that today. I'm going to make a low ponytail. I like to look up when I make my ponytail. I find that it keeps your hair from, sinking down in the back if you do that. So there's my low ponytail. I'll give it a little bit of height. I like to do this because it gives it a little bit of a teased look without actually teasing your hair. Now what we're going to do is I take the donut and I'm going to put it around the base of my ponytail. I actually have not done this hairstyle in years, so it's going to be a mystery to me as much as to you how it turns out. Now you see we have this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lean forward. I'll do like this so you can see. And put my hair kind of all around it. Just trying to cover up the donut. Now we can go back later on and adjust anything that needs adjusting. I have another ponytail holder right there. And I'm going to put that around like this. There. Okay, now with all the loose hair, we're just going to make a simple braid. So gather all that loose hair. And I'm going to do a rope braid. So you take both pieces. Well, you make two pieces, one and the other. Twist them, twist your wrists this way, wrap them around the opposite direction. Twist this way, then this one goes up and over. Twist this way, up and over. Twist this way, up and over. And really, if it ends up going wonky, it doesn't matter because we are going to bobby pin everything when we're all done. Now I have a little ponytail holder right here. I always call them ponytail holders. I know people call them hair ties and elastics, but I grew up calling them ponytail holders, and so that's why it's usually my go-to name for them. So I'm going to take this braid and wrap it around the base of the bun. Just like that. And then tuck that little section in. And I have some bobby pins. If it feels a little bit loose, just add more bobby pins. I never have a problem adding more bobby pins. And that's it. Got everything pinned in place. I'll turn around so you can see it from every angle. You see why I really love this hairstyle. It's elegant, but so easy to make, and it certainly makes a big impression because it's a big bun with a beautiful braided accent. Thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber yet, do me a favor and click that button. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and for sure drop me a comment if you tried it on yourself. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. Bye.